Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Lauren. Today is an exciting day because we have an unboxing, and this is a handbag, and it's my first handbag from this luxury house. I do have a pair of sunglasses, but I've never bought a handbag from this brand or any sort of accessory from this brand, and it's from Fendi. And I have been a fan of Sex and the City since its inception. I love Carrie in the show. She's probably not my favorite. I like Samantha, but I love her style. She's so fun, she's so playful, a lot of color, very different from my minimalist wardrobe, but she's always been a Fendi girl and a baguette girl, and I have my first Fendi handbag. So we are gonna unbox it together. I haven't looked at it yet because I wanna give my first true impressions. I always think it's really fun to show that, and if there's anything wrong with the handbag or if I'm disappointed, but I'm gonna show you that handbag now. And I think it's gonna be the perfect summer handbag. It's a blind buy. I have not seen it before. So first time for everything, right? And I'm glad to share this experience with you. But before we get started, I obviously have to talk to you about the jewelry because can you see the sparkle that's going on right now? So you know that I'm a lover of Idyl, and I do have some new Idyl pieces to show you. I have 3 new pieces that I'm wearing right now, and what's really special is that these are items that have been sold out. They sold out very quickly, and now they're bringing them back for Mother's Day, and they're also going to be discounted. I'm not exaggerating. These pieces I feel like are gonna sell out again so fast because they're so stunning and gorgeous. I mean, all of Idyl pieces are, and if you aren't familiar with Idyl, they are an atelier based out of Antwerp, and if you know anything about diamonds, then you know that that is the diamond capital of the world, and they specialize in lab-grown diamonds, and the lab-grown diamonds that they choose are the top 1%, so you know you're getting that shine, that sparkle, that clarity. Why I personally love Idyl is their concept of modularity, so all of their pieces are designed to be worn differently, so you can restyle it, you can restack it, you can put these two pendants together. You can also take some of the attachments from the earrings and you can wear them as attachments for your necklaces. And I love that the jewelry evolves with you and it's just not sort of one singular fixed look. You can really play around and have fun with your jewelry pieces and change it up every single day. Let's go over the 3 pieces that I chose that sold out so quickly the first time, and like I mentioned, they are going to be limited. But I should also say I'm wearing all Idyl pieces right now, and I don't think it's too flashy. I feel like it looks very sort of quiet, luxurious, quietly luxurious, let's call it that, because there is a really good intentional balance in their pieces between being timeless but also being modern. The first piece is the Eternity cuff, and a cuff is perfect for the girlies that want the earring stack but they don't want to get a separate piercing. As you can see here, I have it stacked with the Lucia as well as the Leah attachments, and you can see I also chose the emerald cut, and there are 10 diamonds, and in total it's over 1 carat. So that's why it sparkles and that's why it shines so nicely in the light. Let's talk about this top pendant here. So again, solid gold chain. I got these 2 pieces in white gold, as well as I got this Eternity cuff in white gold, but you can see that these ones here are in the yellow gold. But this one is the Mila, so this one is white gold. It has 3 diamonds, all different cuts, as you can kind of see. There's a marquise, there's an emerald, and there's a round cut, and they're just positioned so perfectly that they just make this gorgeous organic trilogy of diamonds, and it just looks so stunning. The second necklace is the Marion, and the Marion is inspired by one of their best sellers, which is the Lena, which I also have in yellow gold, that has circular diamonds. What makes the Marion really special is that they are graduating diamonds, so they get bigger in size, and it really just enhances the sparkle, I feel. So you can see there, it has the 5 diamonds, a very classic sort of timeless piece. Again, that's why it's inspired by one of their best sellers. I'm so happy to add these 3 pieces to my collection. I I think what makes them feel extra special to me is knowing that they're not always available. They are back in stock, but again, they are only back for a limited time, and I feel like they're gonna sell out again. So if you missed it the first time around, now is the time to pick it up. Perfect timing because Idyl is having that Mother's Day promotion, so you can also get it at a discount. But these are pieces you're gonna have in your collection forever. You're not only just gonna wear them, you're gonna keep them, you're gonna restyle them, you're gonna restack them. They're just gonna evolve with you and become part of your everyday jewelry. Again, I will link all these pieces down below. Go and check out Idyl before these disappear again. Have no regrets. So let's check out my new bag now. I'm gonna wear all this new jewelry with it, but as I mentioned, I got this from Farfetch, and Farfetch is one of those sites that I always shop because I find that their new arrivals, and I always check the new arrivals first, tend to be a little bit cheaper than if you were to get it off of the actual brand's website or from other places like My Teresa or Essence or so on and so forth. So let's open her up. Here we go. And this, I think, when I was looking at the actual seller, so you can see where the item is coming from, this was coming from Italy and the Fendi site. So sorry, I didn't show you that, but it just says, I just opened it, it says Fendi there, and it says Fendi Roma. So I'm assuming this came from an actual Fendi store, but let's open her up. And as I mentioned before, I did save some money on her. So you can see it's a smaller handbag because the box itself is fairly small. I'm so excited because, like I said, I've never had a Fendi handbag before. I've just admired a lot of the bags from afar. Ooh. Okay, so packaging looks pretty good. Let's see. I can smell the leather. Now, here we go. There's the handbag, and I guess it comes with all the paperwork there. So, and this is actually what the handbag is, and there are 2 separate straps. So open this up. I am so excited. I'm scared, but I'm excited. Okay, I can see. I'm always scared, and I don't know why. I just feel like I'm gonna freak out, but this is her. She is a stunning matcha green. I ended up getting, I think it's called the baguette on chain. I don't think it's called the wallet on chain. But you can see here, she is a small little handbag from the reviews that I saw. Oh my goodness, look at this green. I kind of wish it was like a more of a cooler tone green, but that's okay. It's okay. It's cute. It's cute. Let me continue on. But I had watched some reviews, and while this is a wallet on chain, it looks more like a purse, and I'll explain why in a moment. But here she is. The smell of leather is intense with this one. So I had a couple of different options, and the first option was this sort of original fabric. I think the Fendi kind of monogram there. What's it called? Jacquard. But there was this version as well as the leather version, and the leather was this bright, vibrant yellow, which would be perfect for summer. I think I made the right choice. The leather just seems a bit too dressy for me, and I want to use this in the summer, dress really casual, like light denim shorts, white shirt. I just think this will be so beautiful. I love this green. I think she's going to be so perfect for the summer months, and I feel like it's just, again, a very casual vibe that has the gold hardware there, and then underneath there is a little bit of leather. The inside again is this beautiful leather interior. The smell is so strong. I kind of wish that this green matched the outside green, like more of a cooler tone green, but she's not bad at all. And then there is a slot here in the back, as you can see, and then there are card slots on the inside. I think there's 6 card slots on the inside, so that you don't need to worry about taking a separate wallet, because this technically is a wallet on chain. But that is what the handbag looks like itself. And then it comes with some strap attachments. So let's figure this out here. So this is the reason why I decided to go for this version. I was looking at the extra small baguette, but honestly, I think this is going to suit me way better. So it comes with a strap here, as you can see, and the leather just matches the inside. So let me see how I put this on, because I know that it has to go through here. It took me way longer to figure out than it should have. It's really quite easy, but for some reason my brain wasn't braining. But as you can see there, there's these two little leather sort of slots there, and you basically just thread this little strap right through. So there's multiple different ways that you can wear this handbag, and you know me, I will always choose a handbag that I can wear in different ways and can style it different ways, because if I can get the best bang for my buck, why not? But you don't have to keep the strap, this little leather strap on. You could wear it as I originally unboxed it. It could be a tiny, cute little clutch. Now, when you put this little shoulder strap on here, this little strap, you can adjust it. So again, I have mine on the longest. Is this the longest setting? No, I have mine on the shortest setting here. So you could carry it by hand if you wanted to, or in the crook of your arm, or you can wear it on the shoulder. And again, this is on the shortest setting, and you can see how comfortable it is, but you can also make this a little bit longer if you want the strap drop to go a little bit longer down. But look at the color of her. She is beautiful. I was a little bit hesitant because I wasn't sure if I would like the green, because I haven't seen it in person, but I think she's going to be perfect. I do have my bright green Bottega Veneta mini loop, and that's in the parakeet color, which I love to wear in the summer because I think it is a really vibrant, fun pop of color, and I think the contrast as well works really well with me. But I wanted something that was a tiny bit more muted, in the sense where I could wear it sort of all year round, and I think I can do that with this one here because it's not such a bright pop of green. So here is what she looks like with just the shoulder strap. I didn't actually look it over, so probably should have done that first, but again, everything looks pretty good. The one thing I will say, which is kind of annoying, is that this is hard to close, and it could be because it's empty right now, but you do have to press down pretty hard to close it. So I think once I fill it up, it'll be easier to open and close, but right now she's looking pretty good. Now it also comes, oh wait, what is this? Oh, I think this is supposed to be here. Yes, let me put that on. So it also comes with a cross-body strap, as you can see here, and it's a chain strap, so it just clips on there, which I'm not the biggest fan of chain straps because I tend to find that they're pretty heavy. This one isn't really heavy. As you can see here, the chain is pretty thin, but it is not adjustable, but you can always do like the little hacks, which just require you to kind of go across like that to make it a little bit shorter. I'll take some modeling shots so you can understand, but it's not too uncomfortable. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of chain straps, but I did see this girl on TikTok, and her, when she bought this handbag, she had, I guess the essay had shown how to kind of attach this chain strap so it looks like a little accessory. So I'm going to try that right now really quick with you. I haven't quite figured out the exact layout of the chain, but basically in the TikTok video, what the girl had shown is that the CA or the essay had sort of adjusted the chain and wrapped it so that it could kind of be like an accessory, which I think looks pretty cute that way. And it just allows it, if you want to use the chain strap later on, or if you want to wear it as a crossbody, it's already attached. But I do think that looks kind of cool, right? Having that little gold chain peek out. I just need to figure out exactly how she did it. Let me show you really quickly what can fit inside, because I feel like my camera is about to die, but I'm gonna show you now. Starting off with my phone, I have the iPhone 16 Pro with a case and a little charm, or a little whatever that is hanging off to hold it in my hand. That fits in. As you can see, it's pretty slim, and that's why I think if you were to use this, you would probably want to use these for your cards, and then you have a space back here for cash. I would need to take my car keys with me, which, let me see if I even have. My camera died and I'm filming on my iPhone, and I can't see if I'm in frame, so we're just hoping for the best. But I love this, and I think it's such a great entry into the brand. I typically like to start with accessories, small leather goods when I am trying out a new handbag brand.
or a new brand in general. So I'm really happy that I was able to score this at such an amazing price. Like I said, I was able to save $524. And I also went through Rakuten, which I think saved me an additional, I want to say it gave me cash back of about $30 something to $40 something, which is also amazing that you're able to do cash back. So such a good deal. And again, I feel like it looks like a mini purse. For me, it's just a really good size for the summer. But if you look at the Fendi baguettes in the extra small size, I feel like they're very similar in size to this. So I'm just looking at the website right now, but the baguette mini, I was saying the extra small, I think, but the mini size is $2,750. And the size of it is so similar to this. It's just a little bit taller, I would say, but honestly, it's pretty comparable in size. So I think that this is a really good starter piece. And even for someone like me that has a lot of handbags, I feel like this is just in general a good piece for the price point. Again, it is cloth or textile, and the funny thing is that the leather versions on Farfetch, I think that in general, even on the Fendi website, the leather versions are the same price. So if you are going for an all leather handbag, then you're going to be paying the exact same price as this fabric textile handbag. But again, I just sort of like the look of it. I think it's more casual. I think it kind of gives that baguette look, the classic baguette look, and I like it. I think it's also a little bit lighter, obviously, because it is textile, but the inside is lined with that leather. So it feels really nice, and I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Again, let me know what you think about this and what you think about the color, but I will link this down below. I'll also, again, link the Idyl pieces. So just, you know what, treat yourself. That's what I'm saying. Treat yourself to some jewelry, treat yourself to a new handbag, but I'm so happy to add this to my collection. So anyways, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.